Welcome, 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 welcome back to my channel. And today I have a special guest who has not been with us in some time because she was out there doing big things, which is Kayla. The last time Kayla was here, she was entering her nursing program. Well, fast forward since then, she has graduated college with her nursing degree, and beyond that, she is now officially a registered nurse. She has passed her NCLEX.
Yes.
Did I say that right?
Yes, you did. Yeah.
Okay, so now we officially have a professional starting her first professional nursing job in the next month and a half. Until then, she's going to be kind of doing some work at a camp as a nurse, an official nurse with her new RN number. And she is leaving us here in South Florida and moving up north. So I want to do something special for her because as a nurse, you know, these nurses have long, hard schedules. And she's always kind of had a sweet tooth, but I want to make sure she had enough protein because she's also running a 10K in the next couple of months. So with that said, I want to satisfy her sweet tooth, but give her all the protein she needed. So we're going to do this viral craze called yogurt bark.
All right, so here are our ingredients. We've got some chocolate granola, we got some honey mixed with some cacao powder, some chocolate syrup, some almond butter, and then we've got our Greek yogurt. Ours is vanilla flavored. And we've got some wildflower honey, some almonds, and then we've got our little dark chocolate pieces, as well as our fruit, which is our blueberries and our strawberries.
So I'm going to have Kayla do a lot of the work on her own because she's going to be on her own making this nice, healthy, high protein sweet treat. So, but I'm going to do one with her. I'm going to do the one with the fruit, and she's going to do the other one that's really super high protein because she's going to put her almond butter with her Greek yogurt. So that's already the protein there with that. And I'm going to stick to the yogurt and the fruit and, of course, dark chocolate and almonds. So we also have another high protein. So we're going to do this. Now, the thing is that it takes no time to do it, so she can do it before she starts work, and you know, it'll freeze, and when she comes back after a long hard day, she has this great, nice, cool, cold snack, especially in the summer months, that she can have to chew on and snack on, really. Kayla?
All right.
Okay. So we're going to split half the yogurt.
Alrighty.
You can put the container that I pre-did one.
Okay.
Because you're going to put chocolate in yours. Okay.
How's that? Is that about half?
No, because you're being stingy. You're not giving me some on the side.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Okay, that should be good. Thank you. Kayla's being stingy with me, guys. Can you believe
One
it?
for myself.
Okay, so I'm going to use regular honey while you're going to use the cacao honey, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So what we do here is that we take our Greek yogurt, and you're going to take yours. Now, this is to your sweetness and to your likeness. I usually do 2.5 tablespoons, 3. But if you want to do a little bit more because you want it sweeter, that's up to you. Kayla, you can judge your sweetness, how sweet you want this.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
But I usually try to go for 2.5 to 3 tablespoons. And again, it's to your desired sweetness. I'm eyeballing this. Now, it's really important for you to have a tray and parchment paper because everyone has parchment paper. Now, I presume you can really do this as well with the Silly Pat. That's I guess from culinary school, that's how we called it, but it's like the non-stick liner, and we called it in school Silly Pat. That was like the French term for it. So I'm just going to make sure my yogurt and honey is mixed really well before I lay it on my parchment. I've already rinsed out my fruits, and I'm going to cut some of the strawberry. Blueberry's fine. And I am just going to pour it right here. And then the key is to just spread it out as smoothly as possible. Now we want nothing left in this container because food's expensive, right guys? Right, Kayla?
Right.
Food's expensive, especially going up north, so it's even more.
Uh-huh. Oh, and college students know how expensive food can get.
Yes, but now you're a professional, honey. You're not a college student no more.
I know, I'm working off of a big girl salary now.
Yes. Aren't you excited?
I'm very excited.
All that hard work is paying off. Mm-hmm. And she's going to be working at a wonderful hospital, Peace Hospital, because she loves children. I'm not going to tell you what she is because I don't want you guys stalking her. But she is going up north and she's going to be working with the babies, the children, which she loves.
I love little babies. If you need anyone to watch your kids, just hit me up. I will probably pay you to watch your kids.
This is probably true.
And mine got like a nice little chocolatey color.
Yeah, you have a wonderful color.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're both going to smooth out our yogurt preparation for the bark. So I'm also using a cake spatula. So Kayla, if you want, you can. You know, if you don't want, that's fine too.
Yeah.
Or you could just use the regular rubber spatula like you're doing. Okay, so I was being greedy, called her stingy, when I took a lot of her yogurt. So my bark is going to be a little thicker. So, I mean, really, you can make it thinner, you can make it thicker. That's a great thing about just doing things and creating it. You can make it more or less however you want. And so I decided, since I was being stingy at first, being greedy, I had to give her a little bit. So she did a little marble effect.
She so graciously gave me a couple spoonfuls.
Yeah, I felt a little bad.
Now it looks cooler than yours, so
okay, Missy.
At the end of the day, it'll be better for me.
But I'm the one that's gonna have the chocolate pieces on mine.
I got more chocolate things than you have, so I wouldn't be.
Okay, so I'm gonna just be cutting up my fruit.
Okay, can I do some fun designs?
Yeah, do whatever you want.
Exciting.
I'm just cutting up some fruit.
So I think I'm gonna do a little almond butter drizzle.
Okay.
I think so. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'll do little dollops, and then maybe I can do a little marble pattern thing.
I'm adding some blueberries to this, and while Kayla's making her designs.
Yeah.
Getting our health in. Our antioxidants. We got beautiful skin. We got our blueberries. Wow, Kayla, time has flown by. Remember you coming in from high school volunteering, staying your whole 4 years? Now you've already graduated high school, college, and you're a professional. A registered nurse.
Yes, ma'am.
Time has flown by.
I showed up once.
That is so pretty.
Thank you. I showed up once when I was 14 years old trying to get some service hours, and they never got rid of me.
Nope, and we never will. All right, she's gonna do that.
Do you think I should do like a little drizzle?
I think you can do whatever you want. It looks beautiful what you did.
Okay, I might do it. I might do a drizzle.
Okay.
I'm scared.
You scared?
I don't want to mess it up.
Very good.
Should I do doubles? Or do you think it would be too much?
Why don't you try to go drizzle the other way?
Yeah, I know, like that way.
That way. Because you did this way.
I did this way.
This way.
So that way. You know? Like I could do that. But
do it down?
But do you think it'll be too much if I do another drizzle?
It's chocolate. Chocolate's not too much, babe. Okay. Putting some dark chocolate pieces. Kayla did her chocolate. Woo! Look at her, honey. Did her chocolate drizzle. Her chocolate drizzle. And put chocolate nibs here. Dark chocolate, very good for you. Has iron, vitamin K. Yes. For those that have endo issues, it's good for them to snack on. And you're putting your granola. Yeah. You're going to finish that out. I'm going to do the almonds.
Nice. I'm gonna add my chocolate granola.
And this is what our bark looks like before it is frozen. Here is our frozen bark. This is our almond butter as well as our chocolate drizzle with chocolate granola and our Greek vanilla yogurt. And then we have our other bark that has Greek yogurt and our berries, our strawberries, blueberries, our chocolate, dark chocolate nibs, and almonds. So Kayla and I are going to start to break our bark. We're going to try to peel it off of our parchment paper.
Mine's already breaking.
Okay, so there she goes. Oh, okay. We're breaking up our bark here.
Oh.
We got some big old pieces here.
And you can make them whatever
And the
size.
thing is that, yeah, you can make them whatever shape you want. No rhyme or reason here. Bark City. You know, I don't know why they call the thing bark for you. You know, when I hear bark, I think of dogs. My 2 dogs bark.
Well, because it's like tree bark, you know?
Ah, okay. We'd have to take a smart one to come here and break that down to me. A nurse with beauty and wit and intelligence. And common sense.
It's almost the reason. It's almost because you know, you got to keep me around for something.
I know, for sure. Especially since I'm getting old now, right? Definitely need you around. Now you're gonna be around in a whole couple of states away from me now. And here is a picture of our completed bark. Look at our beautiful bark, our berry bark, as well as a high protein almond butter granola bark.
All right, we got the vitamins for the very first recipe for the yogurt bark. We got the chocolate granola, which has your B6, your vitamin E, your vitamin K, your thiamine, your riboflavin, your folate, iron, copper, and magnesium. And then we've got this honey mixed with some cacao, and that's gonna have calcium, magnesium, iron, manganese, pantothenic acid, and potassium and zinc. Next, we got your chocolate syrup, which you're gonna get some copper, iron, magnesium, and zinc. And then we got some almond butter. You can get some vitamin E, calcium, iron, magnesium, and riboflavin. And then we've got our Greek yogurt, which is gonna have the vitamin B12, calcium, and selenium. And then we got honey, which is just going to have your calcium, manganese, niacin, pantothenic acid, and potassium. Next up, we got your almonds, which is gonna have some vitamin E, some calcium, some fiber, some magnesium, riboflavin, and some unsaturated fats. Next up, we got your chocolate, which is gonna have some copper, iron, magnesium, and zinc. And then we got your 2 fruits. So with your blueberries, you're gonna get some vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, fiber, manganese, and potassium. And then with your strawberries, you get some vitamin C, K, and magnesium. Real facts. Did you know that 3 out of 4 children qualify for free or price-reduced school lunches? Many of these children heavily rely on these lunches because their families are usually food insecure. To learn more, please visit us at www.jdhcdc.org.
Well, Kayla, here we go. Here's our bark. So let's pick up a piece and let's bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
And let's try it.
Oh, it's really good.
Ooh.
The fact that you can taste each of the flavors. Like I can taste the honey, I can taste the almond butter and the chocolate. And the granola doesn't get super soft when it's drizzled on right before you freeze it. So it's still got a little bit of crunch in there.
That nice cold fruit. The chocolate being cold. Totally divine.
Very good.
You're not gonna test this?
Oh, I am. I'm just enjoying myself.
Okay. This is nice.
this one's really good too.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah.
This is so great. So you see, this is a fast snack that you guys can do. Healthy snack. Especially in these summer hot months. With everything kind of going on with climate change. You need a healthy, cool snack. So here's our call to action. Don't forget to click the like button by giving us a virtual hug. When you do that, that lets myself and my team know that you're enjoying what we're putting out for you. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. We welcome you here with open arms and great big hugs. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you know every time we upload a new video. I thank you for hanging out with Michaela and I today. We love you and have yourself a great day and see you in my next video. Mwah!